Alright, hello everybody, welcome to Irvine. Now, I am really excited for this wash because, thanks to a couple tips from some YouTubers, we are at a 76 station off of Sand Canyon Avenue. And here, supposedly, they have a New Star touchless system. Now, if this is still a New Star system, this would be my first one ever.
This isn't like a brand new build, is it?
Not necessarily, no. Yep, there it is. For the first time ever, a New Star Super Comet. This is one of the rarest systems I've ever encountered. Wow. This is cool. And here, we've got our wash options. We got a bronze for 10, a silver for 12, and a gold wash for 14. Now, of course, we're doing the video. I am not going to skip out on the top wash for $14. It says here, VIP house card.
Would you like to have a receipt?
It says all combo.
Our purchase the full package. You may enter the car wash when the lights are green.
It's almost our turn to go. I have Stacy with me, by the way.
Hi.
Looks like it's time for us to go. No undercarriage coming in, which is interesting. You can hear that compressor going. Oh, well, now there is some undercarriage. This is freaking awesome. And let the wash begin. Oh, look at those arches that adjust on the side. Starting out with pre-soak.
This one doesn't have as many lights as the other ones do.
I think they probably just installed those lights to help with, to track customers to get the wash.
Well, I mean, like, it's not as bright as it would be at night.
Yeah. So the rocker panel blasters down there are going right now. While it applies triple foam.
Cookie Monster colors again.
There's someone coming in behind me too, so it seems to be a pretty popular wash. Now we're doing these crazy spinning wands for the high pressure rinse, which I don't think some of them are spinning like they should. I've heard about New Star systems. I have never actually been through one till now. There used to be one of these machines in Loma Linda back in 2007. Not anymore though. Oh, look at this. I was not expecting that on this thing. I assume these systems were made in the 90s because they're quite old. Someone's clearly taking care of this one really well.
Is this the polishing?
Yeah. I'm gonna go with those crazy wands again. Wow. It's not as loud with the rinse as I thought it would be. It's a little loud, but not super loud. The status signage isn't lit up at all for this, so.
This doesn't have those spinning things.
You're probably what?
This doesn't have those spinning bristle things.
Oh, the brushes, yeah. This is a touch-free wash. They do. I've seen videos of this New Star soft touch systems before. There's actually supposedly there's still one in Simi Valley, which is anywhere near here. Otherwise, I'd do it.
I was saying the ones that spin around, they usually push the mirrors in.
Not in this case, apparently. Alright. I don't know if this is spot-free rinse or what this is. Oh, it says clear coat sealant on the sign over there. Well, it did for a second. It was lit up. This is really cool. As that sign says blower on, drive through slowly, but it doesn't appear to be lit up. Oh, there you go. That treadle's a little hard to navigate. I think these are actual New Star dryers made by New Star. The equipment right there. Seem to be doing a decent job, I'd say. .39 seconds of dryer time is remaining. This is cool. Thank you for your business. And to the owners of this beautiful 76 gas station, that was a really, really cool treat. So I'm glad that they keep that system running. It's clear that they don't really want to put something new in. They're trying to keep that as running as long as they can.
I think that's one of the nicer car washes I've seen yet.
Yeah, and the machine is, you know, as old as it is, it's clearly being taken care of.
Very, very well taken care of.
And it's so it's such a throwback, really it is. Well, that's all I've got. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to the person whoever had tipped me off to this place having this system. That was really, really cool. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching.